Hello everyone, I am Lotte and I'm a third year student, International Business Management and Marketing at the track here in Belgium. Now, if you hear a little bit of background noise, I am currently on campus, so I hope you're not bothered by it, but you can already get a little view of the campus. Now, as I mentioned, I'm a third year student, and in some way we're on opposite ends of the line. You are choosing a degree, and I will be hopefully ending mine soon, meaning that I want to give you some of my experience because maybe it might help you with finding the right degree for you. Now, when I look at the past two-ish years, I think there are three things that are key to studying at UCLL and studying BBM. The first thing is that something that you might already know. BBM and UCL offers practical bachelors. This means that you will get a lot of hands-on experience. Your points will not just be decided by exams. You'll actually do a lot of exercises during class and do a lot of group works to earn points, which is really nice because let's be honest, we all forget something sometimes. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I forget something and then I come to an exam and I just think, oh my god, I don't remember this model. And I just think back of an assignment I did and suddenly I remember it. And yes, trust me, it happens often. The second thing why it's handy to study hands-on is that it will help you later on the job market because you already know how to apply the theory, but you already have been able to have a safe ground to make mistakes. And that's something that employers also know. Now, the second reason why BBM might be something for you is, of course, that it is called International Business Management. It is a truly international group of people. When I look at my own class, we have over 14 different nationalities, if I'm not mistaken. And this is not just from Europe, I'm talking Japan, Vietnam, Venezuela, Canada, Denmark, Spain. Honestly, it's really diverse and it is really nice because in some way everyone left their home and left their culture to build a new life here in Belgium, meaning that everyone is more open to talk to each other. And actually, in the hallway, I can pass by someone that I only talked to once and they will say hi to me because we both know that this is our new home. And it's also really nice because our campus is near Leuven, which is, let's call it a city with a village vibe, meaning that everyone you know and everything you know will be close by you. So it is very easy after school to decide, okay, let's go play pool together or let's go to the library together. Honestly, there's a lot of things to do, and it is really nice to be able to do that with your friends because it's not always the case. Now, third thing that is really key to UCL that I'm thinking specifically is the fact that for me personally, it goes beyond the degree. I have now been studying here for two-ish years, and I, of course, have been thinking about my future. And through the past years, I have realized that I would really love to work in the automotive industry. So think Mercedes-Benz and Formula One. Those are truly my dreams. And of course, I have to have a degree for it. But also, you can go beyond it because last year I had the opportunity to participate in Germany at a marketing competition for Mercedes-Benz. And this summer, I got the opportunity to go all the way to South Korea to visit the Hyundai factory and the headquarters in Busan. Now, that doesn't mean that your interest has to be automotive industry. If your interest is cosmetics, fashion, or something else, that's also okay. But I can tell you that there's a lot of opportunities beyond just getting a degree here at UCL that you can take to improve your future. Now, if you have any other questions for me, you can ask it later on at Q&A, but for now, I would like to pass the stage to Jaden.